Really hard to tell if there is a bird in there, but of course not. There's these white ibises that are flying away to head back home. Now, which way are they heading to? Because I know they're flying in Little Half Moon. Oh, okay, so some of them are flying to the right, some of them are flying to the left. Interesting. Now, I don't see any more birds on the trees yet, but I want to get back to this. Yeah, there's definitely nothing here. Not sure what's this white thing that is sticking out of that bird house. It's been a while, and there is no birds going in there. So what's the point? What's the point of any birds that do not want to go in the birdhouse that's been here forever? Yeah, of course. Now that it's a beautiful day out here, I'm not gonna be out longer. But I gotta say that it's been, 2 years since the first time I've been getting birds, taken off to their homes. Because look, you see these white ibises? These birds are flying away to take off to their homes. Apparently they already flew to the left. There it is. The great white egret. This thing is really huge, and it took off to the right. I was disappointed that I haven't saved any videos of 2 great white egrets that were on the other side of the lake. I know it's been forever that I came out here just to get birds on camera. I wonder if Country Place Recreation Center have birds over there. Like red shoulder hawks. There's more white ibises flying. This one just flew the wrong way, but everybody's flying to the left. Well, I'm gonna head in because it's getting kind of heated out here. Wish I could stay out here longer.